Approach definition, approach in a sentence, approach pronunciation, approach meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of approach. 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 Approach means a method of solving a problem. Common usages in academic writing: a new approach, a novel approach, a different approach, a radical approach, a clever approach. Example sentences: approach, noun. Our team's approach to data collection mirrored that of previous studies, with few exceptions. Example sentence number 2. To better understand the sharks, the scuba diver took the radical approach of diving with the sharks during their feeding time. Please write a sentence using approach in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use approach confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.